Yeah, so you've got 2 million, 2 million, 2 million, 2 million. 190 wouldn't be worth a lot, but hey, that's about 400,000. 2 million, 2 million. I think that's 160,000. 2 million, 2 million, 2 million, 2 million. I don't know what this is worth. It's about a mid-20s racer. Probably priceless. Look at that. It's Monday morning, and Jared and I are in the foothills of the French Alps. You see a bit of footage there earlier on the way through. The car's getting packed up for the road again. We'll do another 150-200 mile sprint today. Car's well packed up. Surprising what we can hold with the car. And fuel varies here. It's actually varied almost by 50 cents a litre. We've got gasoline or petrol at €1.49 there today or last night, and we've paid as much as €2 for it on the big autostradas or interstates. So it varies a lot. Ibis, we stayed in Ibis, which is cheap but cheerful. €30 each a night. Your rooms are clean, people are nice, so very good, and they're all handy. So we've been driving from basically the border in Italy up through France. We come to this beautiful little town. I don't know the name of it. I'll try and remember it later on and maybe put it up there. We used the Garmin, and it took us to everybody's backyard but the bloody right road, and it's taken us probably 2 hours longer than we should have. So word of advice, if you want to see everybody's backyard, use the Garmin. If you want to get here on a main road, use your G maps. But look at that view. There's a canal here, there's a lot of little boats. You can see, look, yeah, 2CV. And you can see the DeLorean and Jared just up in the distance. It's great to get out of the car. We're going to go into the town. I'll show you a bit of the town. And it's a rainstorm, cheekers. We had a rainstorm today. We had everything today. A huge hailstorm. I thought it was going to damage the car. It was that bad. Okay, we've made it to our room for the night in a little quaint village in France, middle France. This is what this trip's all about. You want to see this place, it's absolutely gorgeous. We have, this is €70 for the two of us for the night, and it's a big chateau, it's dark. I'll show you downstairs. The lady who owns the place is, doesn't speak any English, but we don't speak any French, so it's, Jared's just bumming and booing, but
yeah, look at the preparing the food.
Look, this is the sitting room. And you can see in there, the ladies are making us, they're in there making us our tea. Just out the back here. And beautiful. And the water, the river, we're going down the canal later on in a minute or two. A little bit of downtime for us. We've stopped along a little village on the way back through middle France, heading towards the boat. The trip so far has been about the car, as you know it should be, but you got to take a moment here and just look at where we've parked for the night. We had a nightingale sing all night long here. The chateau is huge behind us here. The little house we're staying, big house we're staying in, is over 500 years old, and it's just behind us. And it's owned by two old ladies who made us a dinner last night that would be fit for any 5-star hotel. She's up this morning shortly after 7 baking bread for our breakfast, and it's just unbelievable, the location here. As you can see, there's a working canal behind us, big chateau to the right. Just incredible location. France is beautiful. The people are lovely. All you need to do is say good morning in French, good afternoon, and thank you, and that's really all you need. They will pick up the rest. You make a little bit of an effort, respect them, and they will respect you back with loads of oh, what's up in there? Loads of conversation, and it breaks the door down if you don't even make an effort to try and say something. You're not respecting the people, so try and make a little effort of speaking a little bit of the language, a few phrases, and it'll get you a long way.